Step 1. Connect boards 4 and 5. Using wooden dowels, E. Note the positions of the holes and the direction of the board. Step 2. Install the connecting bracket, G, with screws, C. Step 3. Connect boards 1, 2, 3. Using wooden dowels, E. Note the positions of the holes and the direction of the board. Step 4. Screw the screws, A. Step 5. Align two boards 6 and board 7 with the screws. Insert then secure them using cam locks, B. Notes: the cam lock holes must face inward.
Screw in the screw first, then insert the plate. Put the notch of the cam lock in against the protruding screw, or turn the cam lock until it snaps into place. Just tighten it clockwise.
Step 6. Secure the shelf board 4-5 with screws, D. Step 7. Attach the acrylic legs to the top board using screws, H. Note: the legs are pointing outward. Step 8. Attach the acrylic legs to the shelf board using screws, D. Step 9. Apply the anti-slip pads. Step 10. Put the two drawers in. Attach phone holder.